Shinchan, look at that sannyasi sitting near window, looking so handsome and healthy.
Yes, he is healthy and handsome. See, now even sannyasi have traveling by second class, no?
Once they have taken begging bowl, life becomes easy.
This is good job of sannyasi, you know.
You are absolutely right.
Huh?
See, even sannyasi does not require 8 hours work. Good job. No worry about any family life. No problem. No tension. Whenever you are in hungry or in need, you can take your begging bowl.
This is the problem in our India. The moment you need something, just spread your arms. You know, it's wrong to give arms to the sannyasi, Shinchan.
People in our country make this as a spiritual advantage. And these sannyasis have very enjoyable life.
You are wrong in this. Can you make out the difference between right and wrong?
They have no worries. They do exactly what they want, whenever they want, wherever they want. They just roam anywhere and they don't need tickets for traveling.
The truth is, they have given a bad name to religion. There is a loss of economy of his country. They put a halt in progress of country, you know.
The sannyasi is silent. Why you are trying to aggravate him?
Why are you taking his side, huh? Is he your relative? They have no earnings, no responsibilities, and no worries in life.
You are absolutely right. Taking sannyas is a business. See how handsome and healthy he is.
You are educated. It is not that easy to become sannyasi. To become sannyasi, you have to give up money, family, worldly attractions.
Shinchan, but we are talking about sannyasi.
I am talking about you. To become a sannyasi is not that easy.
I think you may not know, in Kumbh Mela and Kashi Yatra, there are group of sannyasi. They just enjoy there.
Try to keep control on your language and laughter, my dear friend. Do you know what is sannyas? Do you know what is diksha? It is not that easy. It is difficult to give up money, family, worldly attractions.
Don't take side of sannyasi, mister. There is a sannyasi in a temple which is close to our house. Hundreds of people stand in a queue to take blessings from him. He thinks himself a great saint. I really do not like all this, you know.
Yes.
My dear brothers, since quite some time I am listening to all your views about sannyas and sannyasis. I am healthy and happy. My job is good as a sannyasi. You have said so much, my friends. It is not as you think.
Shinchan, you are a sannyasi. Then how can you speak in English so well?
I am a sannyasi and that is absolutely true. And I have second class tickets too. Friends, religion has kept the role of sannyasis together. Religion is that which keeps people bound and united. A man is transformed from animal kingdom to human kingdom, and then from human kingdom to saint or God. This is religion. Religion helps in bringing peace to our mind and our soul.
Oh, this is wonderful. You have spoken the truth. We should all think about the future of our country. Try to brighten the future of our country. Try to bring peace in our country.
What this man said is absolutely true. To be united is the religion of our nation. In the past, Rishi Munis were all sannyasis. And in spite of having a family, they lived the life of a sannyasi. Taking sannyas was not their job or business. They took up sannyas for the betterment of our country and our religion.
Why are you telling all this to us?
Because you are not knowledgeable about it. He has just explained what is sannyas and sannyasi is. We should all try to bring the future of our country, brighten the future of our country. Do you understand?
भाइयों, तुम्हें मालूम है या तुम भूल गए हो, युग युगांतरों से सन्यासी लोगों ने देश भ्रमण कर धर्म का प्रसार किया। सिद्धार्थ जैसे तरुण राजकुमार ने सब कुछ त्याग कर बौद्ध धर्म का निर्माण किया था। हिंदू धर्म का पुनः जागरण करने वाले श्रीमद शंकराचार्य जी भी सन्यासी ही थे। आज भी बद्रीनाथ के मंदिर में सन्यासी ही रहते हैं। शंकराचार्य तो जगत गुरु थे।
स्वामी, आप प्रतिभाशाली हो, प्रज्ञावान हो, ज्ञान विज्ञान अध्यात्म में रुचि रखते हो। कौन हो आप?
कौन हो आप?
मैं अपने गुरु का शिष्य हूँ। मैं एक धर्म प्रेमी, राष्ट्र प्रेमी भारतवासी हूँ। सगुण साकार पर विश्वास रखने वाला, अद्वैत का अभ्यासक हूँ और अपनी माता का पुत्र हूँ।
अगर मैं गलत न हो तो भगवान रामकृष्ण परमहंस के शिष्य जो भारत भ्रमण पर निकले हैं, कहीं आप वे तो नहीं? आज जैसे ब्रह्मा के दर्शन हो गए। स्वामी, आपके मधुर वाणी तथा ज्ञान विज्ञान से मैं प्रभावित हो गया हूँ। मेरा नाम बाल गंगाधर तिलक है। पूना में रहता हूँ। पूना स्टेशन आने ही वाला है। अगर आप मेरे घर चल आतिथ्य स्वीकार करेंगे तो मैं धन्य हो जाऊंगा।
मैं सन्यासी हूँ। यदि किसी के घर रहूं तो
हमारे घर
पधारिए।
स्वामी, जिसका मन संन्यास्त है उसके लिए क्या घर और क्या राजमहल। अगर आप आ ही जाएंगे तो
जैसी आपकी इच्छा।